Good morning, everyone. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how arguments are passed to invoke Python functions. We're going to use interactive code animation to demonstrate passing arguments by referencing value in Python. So let's look at chapter 6, section 6.5, 6.6, passing arguments by reference values. In Python, all data are objects. A variable for an object is actually a reference to the object. When you invoke a function with arguments, the object reference of each argument is passed to the parameter. So when you change the contents of the parameter in the function, the argument is also changed after the function is finished. However, there's a special situation when the arguments are immutable objects, such as numbers and strings, and the arguments are not changed. So let's look at the situation here. Is this example, we have x is assigned with a number 1. So this is one is immutable object. So we're going to see how this animation works. We're going to load the functions, main, and then increment, and then invoke function main. And now this is 1 assigned to x. So x is 1, and assign this invoke increment x. So x and the reference value is passed to n. But inside here, we're going to create a new object because we changed the value. So this is the one is the n is incremented, and so now you get new objects. So the original one and cannot be ordered. This is immutable. So this is becoming 2, n becomes 2, but x is still 1. So this will be 1 after the function call. All right, so let's see how it works here. Is when you invoke it, so n and x, they point to the same object, and that's number 1. But the next one, you're going to see that it's you are going to have a new value. Is 2, increment n by 1 becoming 2. That's a new object. So it's different from 1. It's a new object assigned to n, but x still 1. All right, so after the function is finished, and x is still 1. So that's here, x still 1. All right, so let's look at a different situation and with lists. So go to next chapter 7. We're going to scroll down to this section 7.6, passing lists to functions. This time we have this is list. It's y is a list with value 1, 2, 3, and x is 1. All right, I'm going to invoke mx. So let's see how it works with this animation. So we're going to load the function main, load the function, then invoke main. So now see this is 1 assigned to x, and here y is a reference to this list. So x is reference to this immutable object. I'm going to invoke xy. So now as you see here, and this number is as the reference value x is passed to number, but numbers got changed. So you have a new object assigned to number, but x is still going to be 1. And here, numbers bracket 0 is now, it's a 4 5s is assigned to this. And so that's the same as y. So this is, x is going to be still going to be 1. And y bracket 0 we're going to be 5, 5, 5, 5. All right. And that's correct. And let's see how it works now with this. So now you see the number is here, same as x. And this is numbers and same as y. All right, so the next line, you're going to see that we create a new object assigned to number, but x is still 1. And now we're going to assign this 4 5s to numbers bracket 0. So that's right here. So after this function m is finished, we're going to see this is x is 1 and y brackets is 4 5s. All right, so now you see that we demonstrated and using code animation on the Pythons and passed by reference values. And just remember, so when the objects are immutable, so they're special situations. Thank you very much. Goodbye.